An earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 has hit over 10 provinces in Turkey. CNN reports there are more than 2,300 people killed and over 8,500 injured. Over 3,000 buildings have collapsed, including a castle that was over 2,200 years old.
Gaz'da arama kurtarma çalışmalarına doğru giderken iki defa yüksek şiddette bir artçı sarsıntı meydana geldi ve hemen sol tarafımda gördüğünüz bina yerle bir oldu. Yine toz duman içerisinde bir
bina daha yıkıldı, evet, yan tarafında. Arama kurtarma ekipleri
güvenli alana geçiyoruz bizler şu anda. Vatandaşları da görüyorsunuz. Deprem oluyor gene.
We need help. We are in a terrible time. Please keep in mind that even $1 would make a big difference as it's equal to 20 Turkish lira. Twitch streamer Hasan Abi started a donation campaign. You can donate easily. Here's the donation link for the biggest search and rescue team in Turkey. As it's in Turkish, I have provided translations of the bank details in English below. Their website is currently down, but I provided donation information below. They are the largest humanitarian organization in Turkey and are part of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. When the new payment method comes, I will add it to the video. Waiting for my Telegram account. See you, friends.